So to get started, I want you to find your hip bones. And that is the bone in the front of your hip that just kind of sticks out. Or where you kind of, if you've got pockets, where your pockets would rest. And the purpose of this exercise is to loosen up the muscles in the front of the hip, and that will allow your stubborn glutes to finally take over. Usually what happens is that the front of our hip, the muscle there called the psoas and the TFL, tend to take over the action of the glute, and that's kind of how we get some weak glutes and the mom butt. So place your foam roller. You can even use a ball of kind of the same circumference. And what you want to do is to support yourself kind of on the side, and you can use your forearm to support yourself. Roll up and down the area and feel for any lumps, knots, or pain. Of course, you should be able to have a conversation. It shouldn't be super excruciating. Now just roll for a minute or two, and you'll want to get that whole area where the front pockets of your pants are, ideally, or where they would be if you were wearing, something like jeans. And that hip flexor area tends to be tight and tends to be kind of tight along with the quad muscles. So definitely get in there, roll up and down your quads. You can even go as low as your knee. And of course, be sure to do both sides. And if you're finding some significant knots in your leg, definitely hang out there as well.